Okay, carpenter cut the top section of a window frame with a 38-degree angle on each end, and the side pieces have a 50-degree angle cut at their top end, as shown. Will the pieces of the frame be parallel? Well, they will only be parallel if we form 90-degree angles with these, like when we join these joints together. Okay, right? Because if we have 90 and 90, then any two lines that are perpendicular with some third line, in this case it would be this, will be parallel to each other. Okay? Or if at the very least they have supplementary angles. Okay? Now if it was supplementary but they weren't each 90, then you would get something maybe like this, right? Which is not what you want for a door jamb. But in any event, when you add those numbers together, you get 88 degrees and 88 degrees. Okay? They do not form 90-degree angles, and so the side pieces will not be parallel. I could say side pieces will not be parallel because they do not form 90-degree angles, or I just call them right angles with the top piece. And I would say the side pieces could be parallel. You don't have to write all this, but you get the general idea. The side pieces could be parallel if the angles formed were supplementary, in which case the converse of the same side interior angles theorem would apply. But they are not. Okay? I hope that logically that makes